In this video, I'll show you how to save multiple chart layouts in Tradingview. First, sign in to your Tradingview account and open the chart you want to customize. Add your indicators, drawing tools, and adjust the chart settings until everything looks the way you want. Next, click the Layout Setup menu near the top of the chart and select Save Layout. Enter a name for your layout and save it so you can easily identify it later. After that, create another chart layout with different indicators, timeframes, or drawing tools. Once you're finished, open the Layout Setup menu again, select Save Layout, and give this layout a different name. Now, whenever you want to switch between layouts, open the Layout Setup menu and choose the saved layout you want to load. Tradingview will instantly restore all of the settings, indicators, and drawings saved in that layout. Finally, continue creating and saving as many chart layouts as you need for different trading strategies, markets, or timeframes, making it easy to switch between them whenever you're analyzing the charts. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to save multiple chart layouts in Tradingview. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.